Hey everybody out there. I just wanted to give you a quick peek into my abilities for programming and coding, and also a really cool, interesting look into Raise Your Text version 1.0. Now it's known as School Improvement. I kind of wanted you to see how we tracked and logged data and processed our data in the background. So essentially, here's what we have. We have a bunch of tabs down here. This is essentially the CRM, you can basically call it, and also our system for processing our data, our messages, and interacting with our users. So let's say we had a user, let's say it's me, and a teacher messages, and he says, hey, I want to send this message to my class. It's important. And he wants to send this message to his classroom parents and students and everyone who signed up for him. So as a staff member from School Improvement, I would basically come into this tab and it would show me the messages that I need to process. It wouldn't show me all the messages because I don't want to be overwhelmed, just the ones that I need to process, ones that haven't been dealt with yet. It would show me who is the person, what time the message was received, if it needs a custom message, what kind of user this person is in our database so we can check if the person can actually do the things that it is, what classroom the person signed up with, and then for here we would choose, oh, this looks like this teacher needs to send this message. So I would come in here, and we would select teacher message to classroom number 4. And then we'd have a character count, which would essentially make sure that the message does not go over the certain amount of SMS characters permitted in a message. And then we basically click on this button, which has a macro in the background. Essentially, if I click no, is this information correct? And click no, the program doesn't run. So it's a nice little cool data check before I run the process. Double check the information is correct. Message, teacher is going to send it out to this classroom, and they're actually the teacher, so we click yes. The program in the background would essentially run. It would send out the message to the users, coming down here, sending it out to each one of the persons, people that are signed up for them, delete the message, and give me a nice little cool, hey, the message was sent. And then it would basically tell me to then process the messages by sending them out to the people. Pretty cool, right? That's what our first version of School Improvement was. This is just one of the processes. We had 5 of them, and some other different ones as well, depending upon the message user type, signups, everything. And I essentially coded this with Google Apps Script. So in the background, you would essentially have all these certain things, all these codes, and script editor, and that's it. And that's basically, if you want to simplify your life, if you want to create something like this, or if you want to just know how to do this, reach out to me. I would love to talk with you about it. And yeah, thank you.